In today's video, I'll show you how to resize an Instagram post designed to the correct LinkedIn post size in Figma using the Thumblisher plugin. This is a quick and practical workflow when you want to repurpose an existing social media design without manually rebuilding the entire layout from scratch. It's especially useful for content creators, marketers, designers, and anyone managing visuals across multiple platforms. If this tutorial helps you, take a moment to like the video and subscribe for more useful Figma tips and design tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Figma and then navigate to the file that contains your Instagram post design. Make sure the design you want to resize is already placed inside its own frame on the canvas. Having the design organized inside a frame is important because the plugin will use that selected frame as the source for generating the new layout. Once your file is open, locate the Instagram post frame on the canvas. You can select it by clicking the frame directly or by selecting it from the Layers panel. Before moving on, double-check that you have selected the complete frame rather than just one individual text layer, image, or shape inside the design. The entire Instagram post frame should be highlighted. With the frame selected, go to the Actions menu in Figma. Depending on your version of Figma, you may see the Actions button in the toolbar, or you can open the menu using the appropriate shortcut. From the Actions menu, look for Plugins and Widgets. This is where you can access plugins that extend Figma's built-in design features. In the Plugins and Widgets section, use the search field and type Thumblisher. When the plugin appears in the results, select it to run the plugin. If this is your first time using Thumblisher, Figma may take a moment to load the plugin window. You may also be asked to approve access or confirm that you want to run it. Follow the on-screen prompts to continue. After Thumblisher opens, you should see a plugin window with different size and the layout options. Because we are converting an Instagram post into a LinkedIn post, look for the target options related to LinkedIn. Choose the LinkedIn post size that matches the type of content you want to publish. Selecting the correct target size is important because it helps your design fit LinkedIn's recommended dimensions and reduces the need for additional adjustments later. Once you have selected your LinkedIn size options, review the settings in the plugin window. Make sure the selected source is your Instagram post frame and that the target format is the LinkedIn post format you want to create. This quick review can help prevent generating the wrong size, especially if your Figma file contains several frames or multiple social media designs. When everything looks correct, click Create. Thumblisher will generate a new frame layout based on your selected Instagram design and the LinkedIn size options you chose. The new frame should appear on your Figma canvas, usually alongside or near the original design, allowing you to compare both versions. At this point, inspect the new LinkedIn frame carefully. Check the positioning of your text, images, logos, buttons, and other important elements. Although the plugin creates the new layout automatically, different aspect ratios can affect spacing and hierarchy. You may need to make small adjustments to ensure that text remains readable. Images are properly aligned, and no important content sits too close to the edges. It's also a good idea to compare the new LinkedIn version with the original Instagram design. Look for any elements that may have shifted during the resize process. If necessary, adjust font sizes, line breaks, spacing, or image crops directly in Figma. These final refinements help make the design feel intentional rather than simply stretched or copied into a different format. And that's it. You've successfully resized an Instagram post design to a LinkedIn post size in Figma using Thumblisher. Instead of recreating the design manually, you used the plugin to quickly generate a new frame and then prepared it for LinkedIn with a few final checks. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Figma tutorials, plugin guides, and efficient design workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.